how to log into Netflix on laptop. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can log into Netflix on laptop, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you would like to log into your Netflix account on laptop, all you have to do is just go to netflix.com and then you're gonna see this type of interface, where what you need to do is you just need to click the sign in option that you can find from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you click the sign in button from the top right, you can just go ahead and make sure to enter your email and phone number. Click the login button in order to sign into your Netflix account. If you happen to forget your email or password, you can just click the need help option in order to reset your email and password. But if your details are correct, you can click the sign in option here and then you'll get successfully signed in to your Netflix account, be it on your laptop or wherever else. This way you'll be able to log into your Netflix account on laptop. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.